Hello, in this video we will be looking how to create a .NET Core console application using Visual Studio. If you remember in my previous video, you must have seen that how we have created a default web API project using default templates, right? But in this video, we will be looking into that how to create a console application. And let me tell you one more thing: in .NET Core, by default, each and every application is your console application, and we need to convert that particular application to our specific application, whatever we want. So in this video, we are going to create our console application, and in the upcoming videos, we will be looking that how we can convert this console application to the web API project after applying some changes and adding some services to the project. So let's go to the Visual Studio and let's create a new project. Either we can create a new project from here, or either we can go to the our file menu and let's click on this new. Let's create a new project. Let's create a console application and choosing the console application which is supporting this .NET Core. Let's click on next button, and the location would be the same in the this location, and let's name the project console app to web API, since we are going to as we are going to convert console application to the web API. So let's click on the next button, and we can see we are choosing the target framework .NET 5.0, the latest one. We have 3.1 also, but I'm choosing the latest one. Let's click on create button. So it is going to create a console application. And let me tell you one more thing. In .NET Core, each and every application is a console application. So each application would be having your program.cs file, as we can see here, right? So our console application is created, and now I'm going to run this application. So let's click on this button. Now this is going to run the application in the console. We can see the output is coming hello world, as we have the same written in the main method, right? So our console application is working fine, and in the upcoming videos we will be looking how we can convert this console application to the web API project after applying some changes and adding some services to this application. So let's see in the next video.